Hello guys, in today's video I'll be showing you guys what I bought for my YouTube business. Yes, YouTube is a business, you need to know that. So I bought this for my business. So we are going to unbox it together. It's still sealed, so we are going to unbox it together. If you're interested in this kind of video, just sit down, relax, and I will be right back. Welcome back again to our channel. It's your girl Francisca the Supermom. If you're new here, you are highly welcome. My name is Francisca and I'm a Nigerian YouTuber based here in Italy with my family of 6 with triplets. So you are highly welcome. So guys, oh guys, please consider subscribing, or if you have not subscribed, please. So guys, today I will be unboxing this I bought online, okay, via AliExpress. Okay, I bought it and the postman delivered it, and I decided to show you guys, to unbox it here with you guys before the camera. It's still sealed, okay. Yeah, so this is actually what I bought for my YouTube channel. If you see YouTube as a business, like these days I see YouTube as a business. So if you see YouTube as a business, I think it's worth investing on, okay? So there's no business that is without a capital. So I just, I told myself, girl, if you really want to, to be serious, you need to take this channel serious. You need to take this YouTube thing serious. So I see YouTube right now as a business. So in order for me to enjoy it very well and also attract some customers, which are subscribers, I now decided to get some of the equipment I need, because light is very important when it comes to YouTube business. Light is very important. Right now is 12 midnight, okay? And I'm using my ring light to film now. Just my ring light to film. So as you can see, it's bright, but it's not that bright. It's not too bright. So that is why I got this. This is actually light, okay? I got this inside here, supposed to be 2 here, supposed to be 2 in 1 inside here, okay? I've not opened it, so I don't know whether it's complete, but it's supposed to be 2 inside here. So guys, and this 2, I intend keeping one like this and then the other one like this, and then the ring light will now fix me. This way the light will be very bright. I just want to give you guys quality videos, okay? Please patronize me. Patronize my business, please. So guys, let's open it, let's unbox, let's continue. I'm not good though when it comes to unboxing things, so I'm not that patient, okay? Am I supposed to use hand? Let me go and bring knife. Let me bring knife. So guys, I have knife here, so let's start to unbox. I'm going to start from here. Okay, I think it will not go like this. Are you seeing it? So what if I open this and it's not what I ordered? What I ordered is not what I got. Okay, guys, are you seeing the inside? Are you seeing the inside? It's not a ring light. Okay. Okay. Oh. Me, I'm confused though. I hope this is not what I ordered versus what I got. Guys, it has a tripod inside. Okay, this is 2 meters, so it's supposed to be 2. It's supposed to be 2. Let me keep this one here. Okay, this one is another one. So we have 2 here. These are the tripods. Okay, because I'm not going to show you guys like to fix this thing now, So I'm going to leave how this kind of light, what is this light called? I'm going to leave the picture for you guys to view, okay? So this is, okay, this one is actually the bag to carry it, okay? And this is, oh God. So this is the light. This is actually the light. So I'm going to fix it with the tripod. I'm going to, yeah, this is one, okay? So I'm going to fix it with the tripod. This is one. And it has battery. I think this thing is the battery. It has this one, this. My God, these things will not be easy to fix, yo. Ew. Many things are here. Many things are here. Are you guys even seeing it? The battery, the charger, the... Let me put them back because if I should misplace anyone, it's gonna be wahala. So this is the, okay. The whatever. So guys, so as I was saying before, this is the light, okay? I opened this one. It's the same thing with this one, okay? So it's the same thing. It's two. So there are two here, and the tripod two also. So I'm going to fix it, okay? I'm going to fix it, and one will be here, and one will be here, and my ring lights will be here, and let's see how it's gonna be. Please support your girl. Support your girl. So guys, let's open this one. Let me even know what is here. But I believe is the bag. Yeah, it's the bag. This is just the bag. I think so. Yeah, I don't know. But I think it's the bag. Yeah, this should be bag. Yeah, this is just the bag, you know. If I want to carry it outside, this is the bag. It's the bag, yeah. It's the bag. It's actually long. This is the bag. Wow, so nice. It's perfect. It's actually nice to carry it. Okay, it's nice. Yeah. So I'm going to keep it now, and then anytime I'm less busy, I will fix it. For now, I don't have the time. I don't have the time now, guys. You guys have to be managing this my little ring light till when I have time to fix all this. Guys, please support your girl, please. And not after all these expenses, and you people will not be watching me. I go vex for now. I go vex for now. So guys, yeah, so this is actually what I want to show you guys. The ring, the light, okay, which I ordered. I'm going to, maybe I will make a video where I'm fixing it. Maybe, I don't know yet. So maybe, okay, if it's possible, I'm going to show you guys how to fix it. But right now, this is just the unboxing, okay? Please wish me well on this, my business. And I'm also going to show you guys the, I'm going to do unboxing also on the kind of microphone I got, okay? I bought a microphone with Phantom, which I'm going to show you guys. I think after that, what will be remaining is camera, which camera is very expensive, guys. I saw the price and I'm like, ooh, with all this my 10 views, oh my God, it's not encouraging at all. Assuming I'm having the views, it will encourage me to go ahead and get a camera and get other things, you know, that I need for this my business. But when you now see that your business is just crawling, okay, but I have faith, and I also know that nothing good comes easy, and I also know that you have to count one before you count two, and I also know that with God all things are possible. So guys, I'm not discouraged, okay? As far as you guys are here to watch me, small we will grow, okay? So guys, thank you so much for watching up to now. I really appreciate your time. May God bless you. Remember, we upload Tuesdays, Thursdays, and Saturdays. See you all in our next video. Ciao. Bye for now.